For, long before Noah built his ark, before the floodwaters covered the earth, there was a world full of life, power, and mystery. Humanity was multiplying, cities rising, families growing, the earth buzzing with activity, but something strange began to happen. Something the Bible describes only in a few short verses. Yet it has puzzled scholars, believers, and historians for thousands of years. Who were the Nephilim, these mysterious giants who lived before the flood? The world before the flood was a very different place.